talk about the offenses that women commit daily without knowing. When you are in a divorce proceeding, okay, when you're done with divorce proceedings and court grants you custody, as a woman, God grants you custody, because I know courts tend to tilt towards granting women custody than men. But God gave the man unrestricted access. Do you know what unrestricted access means? It means that your husband, your ex-husband, should have access to his children anytime he wants to. And immediately God says, give this man unrestricted access. You can no longer restrict the children from seeing him. If you do that, you're committing contempt of court. The dispute or whatever thing you had was with the man. Not, the man doesn't have issues with his children. So whichever time God says, give unrestricted access to the man, make sure you do not stop or deny the man seeing his children. Because if you do, it is a crime. It is a crime. It is contempt of court, and you are entitled to 6 months imprisonment for denying that man access to his children. And secondly, for disobeying court order. I want also, women, grant unrestricted access to your baby daddies immediately the court orders you to. If you do not do that, it is called contempt of court, and you'll be sentenced to 6 years imprisonment. I hope this is clear. So I've gotten this question so many times from my inbox. What happens if your landlord serves you with a notice to quit, and then after service of the notice to quit, he collects rent from you? Well, to answer your question, if your landlord serves you with a notice to quit, and after the service of the notice to quit, he collects rent from you, immediately he collects rent from you, that notice to quit has elapsed. It has expired. He can no longer eject you on that notice. So now, if he wants to eject you after the collection of that rent from you, if he now wants to eject you again, if he decides to tell you to go, he must go to court, or he must give you another notice to quit. He can no longer rely on the earlier notice given to you, because that earlier notice elapsed when he collected rent from you. I hope you understand this. So in a simple way, if your landlord serves you with a notice to quit, after the service of the notice to quit, he goes ahead to collect rent from you, your landlord has automatically, his notice to quit has automatically elapsed by him collecting that rent from you. So if he wants to serve you with another notice, he will have to bring in a notice to quit again. He can no longer rely on the earlier notice. I hope you understand better now, for those of you asking. And don't not forget to click on Noella Igwe on Noella Word and follow for more legal tips. Good morning, guys.